Hello. What's that? Me, I go video. Let me talk to her. She won't come here now. She don't want to.
Please stop recording. Please stop recording.
Any woman wey don reach 40 years, you no see husband, may you born. My sister born. No dey dull o. See na 40 o. No be 30, na 40 why they talk here. Those wey born, dem no better pass you o. You understand? No be you wey no give yourself husband, na husband wey no gree come. Those people wey marry, no be them better pass you. Some their character rotten. So, my sister, if you don't reach 40 years, you no see husband, may you kukuma find one baby boy. Born! As long as say you don't get money, you get money for your account, you can take care of yourself, you can take care of your child. Kuku born, or may you not become a run, can't go home empty-handed, you not achieve anything for this world where you come. Picky, you no born. Adopt, you no adopt. Husband, you no marry. Waiting you waka dey do guy for now, waiting be fine woman for where you dey. Any woman wey don reach 40 years, may he born. Born first, keep one first, still dey use eye dey look whether you go fit see husband. You understand? Say you born, no make husband, no go make husband no come. You understand that kind of thing? Born first, maybe say you born o. No dey look o, may wetin people want talk. Wetin people go talk now? People no talk wetin dem dey talk, you don dey reach 40 o. You know when them go talk? Now when you no born, you no adopt, you no marry, now when them go talk. You understand? Now, you see this life, eh? There are lots of things in this life, but people don't know. You see this destiny? This destiny, they type by type. Some people are destined to marry early, some are destined to marry at their middle age, while some are destined to marry at the age of their old age. I have been praying to God, say, God, gift where they give person for old age. It not be my portion. God, make I know see those kind of gifts. But if you come, what you go do now? There's nothing you can do for people that are up to 40 years or for ladies that are up to 40 years. This video is for you. That is why I made it. If you are up to 40 years and you don't see husband marry, my sister say, may you born. Even if they want to talk, may them talk, say you born now. After all, you don't reach 40 now. So that if you don't see husband again, may you not say you no lose anything. Even if person asks you, say, where your husband? Tell her, say your husband don't die. Say he don't die. After all, plenty people don't die because of a lot of things where they happen. You understand? Plenty people don't die for accident and everything. You know whether you follow. If person asks you, tell her, say your husband don't die.